Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Anastasia. I have been a licensed cosmetologist for 6 going on 7 years now. I love the beauty industry, and I'm also the owner slash founder of Doll Like Beauty LLC, whatever important information my name may be. In this video today, I'm going to bring to you something that has never been seen in the cosmetic world and like lifestyle or whatever. And this is perfect for beginners out there who are wanting to get into makeup, wanting to get into the beauty industry, and just overall wants to learn more and just basically expand their knowledge on product and all that kind of stuff. So if you're interested in seeing what I'm going to bring to you, then just keep on watching. Alright, so here is my packaging for Doll Like Beauty. I do have some of my products have a older packaging. It's funny because I'm looking around to see if I actually have the older packaging on hand, because we all know that is the beauty of me, is that I'm always unprepared. But anyways, it's available on my website so you can see what it looks like. But we're slowly making the transition into this packaging. So basically it slides out. It has my name on it here, Doll Like Beauty. And then where it becomes fun, on the back of every single lash package, there will be a QR code right on the back that you can scan, and it'll bring you to my YouTube video on how to apply lashes. So this is perfect for you guys out there who are brand new to lashes, and sometimes you'll be watching videos, scrolling on Instagram, seeing girls in public, and might be like, dang, I wish I knew how to put on lashes. Well, have no fear. You can buy these lashes and then easily access a tutorial. So I will demonstrate how it works. So you'll take your phone, and this works for any phone, iPhone, Android, Google Pixel, whatever else they have out there right now. So you'll take your phone. I'm gonna clear my notifications, that way no one is all up in my business. Anyway, so you'll take your phone, take it to the camera. So here's the camera right here. So then what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna take my QR code and I'm gonna just show it. A little link is gonna pop up at the top. You will click on it. You have to unlock your phone. So my phone is now unlocked, and it goes straight to my YouTube video on how to apply strip lashes. It is so easy, so convenient, especially for those who really want to get into wearing false eyelashes and don't want to wear lash extensions or whatever the case may be, and they just want to be able to finally do that. I make it easier for you to learn how to do that. It's just so quick. It's on the back of every packaging. All you gotta do is open up your camera, scan it. Like, you don't have to click anything. Just scan it. It'll pop up and boom, done. Right to my tutorial on how to apply them. So, like I said before, it's gonna be on the back of every packaging here. I will also have QR codes coming out on the back of my lash shampoos and stuff, like showing you how to clean your lashes and all that kind of stuff. I just have to film that video, which more than likely I'll probably film it today. You'll see this video first, and they will have the QR codes on them before I do the shampoo video, but that video is coming, so you're first to see it in the cosmetic industry. I started it first. Super exciting. I am just so happy to educate you all and just have you find a new place, like I guess in the beauty industry, and you can be like, wow, I can wear lashes. It is so easy. It's a lot easier than I thought, because when I put on my lashes, I can do them with my eyes closed because I just have been practicing and practicing and practicing. And with this video, I show you different ways and I explain how it works, where you can just boop, done. And I also have products that help you be able to apply faster. So I have the Lash Glue pen right here. It's basically a liner glue pen here. You can use it as a eyeliner, or you can use it just for lashes. So you do not have to wait. There is no drying time, like we have to wait for it, like stickiness. You just apply your lash straight to it. Give it about 30 seconds after the lash has been applied before you start pulling at it to like kind of test it. I do recommend using a micellar water or a makeup remover, like a pretty strong makeup remover, to get it off, because it's supposed to be meant to help keep your lashes in place without, dang, like lash glue, sometimes if you don't glue it properly, your lash will start to hang. For my girls who have that problem, where like all of a sudden halfway through the day your lash is hanging, and this prevents that. Perfect for beginners. Has a very small felt tip pen here, so you can control the pressure. You can be as light or as harsh as you want to be. Super easy. So this would be perfect combined with the lashes that have, obviously all of them will, the QR code on the back to be able to show you how to use them and it to be like get easier for you. I also have a regular normal clear glue option, so once you started feeling more comfortable with applying glue and applying your lashes, you can switch to clear glue if you want to do that. I have that available, whichever you prefer. But yes, I am so excited to see all of you be able to apply lashes, those who are new to it, and just see like you can get quicker and quicker at it. You could be running out the door and just pop, done. So yeah, feel free to share this video to be able to like show your friends like, oh my gosh, look, now I can finally start putting on lashes and all that kind of stuff. So definitely feel free to share it in groups, share it on TikTok, share whatever you want to share it. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy tonight, tomorrow, whenever I post this.